doing Superbooth again. You were here last year, right?
I was here last year, yeah, I'm back.
And I seem to remember one of your USP at the time was one of the only effects manufacturers or modular manufacturers out of India. Was that about right?
Yeah, pretty much. I think I'm the only guy right now who does effect pedals and modules. And so I'm originally from the guitar pedal world, but started branching out into modules after the people at Schneider's said that I should start adapting them for Eurorack. And yeah, it's been an interesting year. It's been a pretty crazy year. My little standalone synth with the tin pins that you saw last year hasn't quite taken off yet, but give it a couple of months. The God Eater is in the final version, and I'm really happy about this one because Alexander Hacke.
That's a great name.
Thank you. We're doing a live demonstration of this on Saturday with one of my musical idols growing up. That's Alexander Hacke from Einstürzende Neubauten.
Oh, nice.
And he'll be playing, and I'll be tweaking knobs.
So what is this sort of?
This is a bass. It's a bass fuzz that can really destroy drums. So I'm just going to turn this up a little bit so you can hear it. I think I might not have a loop on it.
Okay, yeah, got it.
And if I turn this up, it sounds a bit like.
That sounds very Neubauten.
Yeah, it's very Neubauten-ish, but it can get gentle as well, and you can use it for a slight boost as well.
Sounds great on the sort of 988 King type of thing.
No, that's a lot of people have been using this one for distorted drums. Barry from Mogwai has one. Caesar Edmonds at Assault and Battery Studios in London. Konstantin, who played at Feld earlier. Merlin, who's playing with Drumstone and a couple other people.
All right, okay, so what else you got?
So this is the final version that's out now in Germany. This is the 2B version 2 of the Pit Viper, but I'm not going to put it on for you because it's too quiet. It should have been quieter than this guy.
Ah, okay.
It just got a little too quiet. This is what this sounds like. So this is an overdrive that has a bunch of clipping textures that you can select, and it really cleans up that incoming volume, or it can get a little dirty. This is the one that actually got me started with a lot of things here.
So I'm detecting there's a lot of dirt and grit in your stuff so far. Is that?
Pretty much, yeah.
Are you a kind of bad man? It's like you like it to be kind of crunchy and broken.
Personally, I'm probably a lovely person.
I know, I'm
like
sure you are.
Messed up music.
Yeah, all right, okay.
Like broken sounds and broken beats. I grew up listening to a lot of industrial, so that kind of stuck with me, and that's kind of like.
The Indus, yes, of course.
I thought it kind of belongs in there, so you should do something with that. I just wanted a sound, and I didn't want to build big mouth clones or tube screamer clones. So I'm kind of doing my thing now, and that seems to be working. But a lot of people want dirt for Eurorack, which is why I started getting into like Schneider. Like I said, told me I should really start porting my modules from my pedals into Eurorack format.
Yeah.
These two are out already. The new stuff is I've been working hard this year. This is a really simple delay module that can go to the self oscillation, and you can route the FX out. It's kind of lo-fi, but it does some interesting things. I'm using it as an oscillator here, which is going into my brand new, just finished before Superbooth, sold out in Germany, right before the show, quad VCA with a mixer output. So it's a Buchla 110 work-alike.
Okay.
Not a clone, because the channels are all voiced a little different. It has offset and CV attenuation and input attenuation, as well as a master CV, which is the CV knobs are the gate knobs are normalized to the master gate. And if you can get creative by doing, like in this patch, I am just modulating. I'm triggering the gates in the audio spectrum.
Ah, okay.
So you have this really weird sequence noise source.
Okay.
That is being modulated by.
So it's like VCA modulation to create pitch tones,
Yeah.
effectively, right? Okay.
So we'll turn on this one. I like building textural things. I don't want to get into that space.
It's quite Buchler-ish. That reminds me a little bit of one of Alessandro Cortini's pieces, actually. Just that harmonic sequence. Interesting.
I think he just played a show. He's been playing with the Buchler a lot more recently. And
yeah, well, he's based in Berlin now as well, isn't he? So.
I mean, Cortini's a big influence.
Good. I like Cortini too. Yeah.
And I think there's very few people who can take modular into that emotional and expansive space like he does.
Yeah, absolutely. So this stuff is available now? Is it Schneider's available, or when's these guys?
This is available right now.
Yeah.
So these are in stock with Schneider's, Error Instruments, Juno, a bunch of retailers. Well, Schneider's 11 for Germany. This one you're just seeing in the faceplate right now is really plain Jane. Of course, it's an Alma factory product, so it will not look like that.
Yeah, sure.
It's
just a prototype, right?
This will be out in, I think, 8 weeks is the time on that. The Tannhäuser Gate, I think, I haven't really, I think it's going to be around the same time as the Coma reactor.
Okay, what sort of price point are these guys going out at?
The pedals are all around, so this is 190, 190, 210. 235.
Right. Okay.
I'm almost completely out of these. They just sold immediately, so I'm shipping the next ones now.
Nice.
180, 180. This is going to be around the same, maybe 175 or something. Okay. I don't know about this guy yet because I literally just finished this last night.
Still working on it.